So this is Team Afterburner solution for Samvedana, named Samvedana for the Gen AI hackathon. This solution is basically designed to tackle mental health problems and loneliness epidemic which is rising in the world. So in the main UI, you have to just come here, write your what is on your mind, basically journal. Select the option daily journal or one time when. In one time when the AI doesn't store your data, in daily journal it stores the data. So we are going to select daily journal and click on get AI analysis, and it is going to give us a full AI analysis report, our mental health score, our stress level, our diagnostics, the severity level, and the gratitude takeaway, the CBT recognition, which we can use to change our thinking patterns. And these are the problem detected and micro ways to tackle those problems. These are the therapy libraries that are relevant, that are also shown. These are the codes that might help. Okay, so this is the basic UI. When you click on new entry, you can start over again. In the menus button, you can click here and click on take on a spin. This what it does is analyzes your profile. You can come here and click on answer question, answer few of these MCQ question, and the AI basically analyzes your profile and matches you with a peer that is similar, that will be your companion. You can now click on find your peer, and here you go. It is going to find you a match. Jackpot, you have find your perfect match, and you have find your match. This is Blake, your match. Overall compatibility 97%, and then you can start a chat with Blake and connect with him. And then there are other features like take out your role. This is basically a venting box where you can come and anonymously vent and read other people's anonymous vent. AI basically filters out the key details in this. And then there is the talk to support. This is basically a chat GPT wrapper. You can talk to this and use it as a therapy bot. Okay, this is our the chat GPT bot. And then there is the profile section. This is basically your profile. What are the total number of journals you have done, what is your streak, average mood and everything, your CBT exercises, mood check-in and everything. You can also access all the features from here. Quick action. This is the calendar of which date you have been active. This is the progress report. And then there is the yard. Yard is basically a small enhancement we have done to encourage people to be consistent with their projects and all. So this is the basic yard detail. Okay, that's it for our project. This is Afterburner signing off.